Today in this video we will learn about how can I enable two-factor authentication security policy for my account in WHM root. In order to enable two-factor authentication, log into WHM root and then go to Security Center. Now go to Two-Factor Authentication. Now here, switch on and enable Two-Factor Authentication. After enabling it, in Manage My Account section, tap on Set up Two-Factor Authentication. Now download Google Authenticator Android application and scan the below QR code. Now step 2 is to give the security code which will be shown in your cell phone. Once you have provided the security code, click on Configure. Now you can see that two-factor authentication is set up successfully.